Have you ever heard of Kung Pao Tuna casserole? Neither have I. Alright, when I see an impeller that looks like that, then what you want to do is make sure you flush this dude. So, got our little hose hooked up. I've got the lower unit off. And we got a garden hose hooked up to it. And on this one, generally, you have to blow them out. So I've got an air compressor, a little hose. So I just did this. I turn this on. Whoa. Yeah, she's peeing good. Anyway, before you change the water pump on that, man, go ahead and flush it. Because it'll get you. You put a water pump in it, and then you put the lower unit back on, and then it won't be peeing out the pee hole. So you got to flush them before you do it. So yeah, when they look like that, go ahead and flush them. This one wasn't peeing, and now it's peeing. Yep, it's a bird's nest. It's a bird's nest, all right. So, where did he get it? Boat ramp? Bank fisherman? Not sure. Did he do it? Who knows? He just bought this boat, so he didn't do it. Yep, gonna have to get out the scissors and the knife, cut it off. Problem is, a lot of times this starts digging into that seal, and eventually the seal is broken, and then it leaks all that fluid out of there and starts just chewing itself up into like tiny little things, and then all of a sudden you got like problems. Not problems, but problems. Anyway, if you cast out your line and you break it off, at least go as close as you can get to that line and then snip it off. And for your bank fishermen guys, try to pull in as much line as you possibly can. So when you break it off way out there, at least you get some of it back. Anyway, there's my rant. Thanks for watching. There we go. I had a bite. And I got it. Check. Net.
Dang, dude.
Oh, yeah.
The net ain't out.
Oh, shit.
Easy with the language, please.
Sorry, guys. Here it comes. Here it comes. It's a good one, too.
Of course he is.
Oh. Nice. Oh, he's going to get away. What are you doing?
Get him, Jeff. What are you doing?
You just dropped him.
All you got to do is get to it.
All right, buddy. I don't know. He might be a keeper. Yeah, he might be a keeper. Oh, yeah. 15 inches exactly. Anyway, thank you, buddy. As Jimmy Houston would say. That's the aftermath. Look at that. Look at all that line. That's just crazy. But at least this was monofilament. If it was braid, yeah, it would have done some damage, I think. But probably 10-pound mono. Not too bad. Still pretty crazy though. Anyway, watch it while you guys are out there.